Drinking beetroot juice every day will do wonders for your body. We know it is not easy to consider juice a healthy option with so much discussion about the amount of sugar in it. However, a recent study has highlighted one powerful juice that can work wonders for your body. Whether it is about cardiovascular health or brain function, this super healthy beverage works best. Yes, I am talking about beetroot juice. Beets have an impressive nutrient profile, and one of the best ways to enjoy them is fresh, which means avoiding heat as heat destroys the nutrients. If you are still unsure, let's talk about the 13 amazing benefits of drinking beetroot juice every day. Number 1. Promote heart health. Are you tired of taking medications for high blood pressure? How about sipping some beetroot juice? It dilates veins and arteries, which lowers blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease. According to research, regularly consuming 250 milliliters of beetroot juice significantly reduces blood pressure. The high nitrate content in beetroot juice restores the function of the endothelium, which are the cells that line the inside of all blood vessels. Beets are also rich in folate or vitamin B9, which further helps cells grow and function and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. This juice also prevents overstimulation of the sympathetic nervous system, which otherwise could raise blood pressure and cause heart disease. Number 2. Help treat erectile dysfunction. Nitric oxide found in beet juice could help erectile dysfunction since it results from inadequate blood flow to the penile muscles. This substance enhances blood flow by relaxing the blood vessels. In addition to decreasing blood pressure, this property improves penile blood flow. Cyclic guanosine monophosphate, cGMP, is another important substance involved in erection. This compound widens the arteries and boosts circulation to the penis. According to a study, nitrate-rich foods like beet juice, which the body transforms into nitric oxide, can raise the levels of cGMP. Number 3. Help fight cancer. Some foods are known to prevent cancer. One of them is beetroot. The betalains in beetroot give it its deep color. They are soluble antioxidants. Unstable cancer cells in your body can be destroyed by this colorful chemical. Researchers call these chemical compounds scavengers because of their ability to remove free radicals from your body and maintain your health. Even though more research is needed in this area, based on what is known so far, we can safely say that beets are incredibly good at fighting breast cancer. They also prevent liver, colon, and lung cancer. Number 4. Boost athletic performance. You might find professional athletes drinking beet juice after workouts. This is because beet juice increases the production of nitric oxide, which leads to the dilation of blood vessels and an improvement in blood flow. This results in a fast supply of nutrients and oxygen to the muscles. And lactic acid, which is the primary cause of muscle fatigue, is removed more rapidly. You can boost anaerobic muscle performance for strength and power by increasing muscle oxygenation during exercise. Moreover, it increases the efficiency of mitochondria, which are responsible for cellular energy production. As a result, both the amount of time it takes to become exhausted and cardiorespiratory endurance increase, how well your heart, lungs, and muscles work together over a certain period. Number 5. Reduce the risk of dementia. Beets could be a secret weapon against memory loss. A study published in the journal Nitric Oxide shows that giving older adults a daily dose of beet juice increased blood flow to the part of the brain linked to dementia. Their brain MRI shows increased blood flow in the frontal lobes of their brains, which are linked to cognitive thinking and behavior. As we previously discussed, beetroot juice contains a lot of dietary nitrates, which our oral microbiome converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that is essential for transmitting information between cells. Beets' antioxidant properties also protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which further lowers the risk of dementia and cognitive decline. Number 6. Controls diabetes. A 2014 study investigated the effects of beetroot juice on blood sugar levels after meals. A study found that even drinking less than half a cup or 225 milliliters of beetroot juice significantly lower post-meal glucose levels. Also, it helps to prevent diabetes complications like nerve and eye damage. Alpha-lipoic acid found in beets reduces the risk of nerve damage in diabetes. Nutrients like betalain and neobetanin help control blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity. However, always remember that moderation is essential. Drink no more than 200 milliliters of beet juice and divide it into 4 doses of 50 milliliters each. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7. Natural detox support. Beets help our liver, which is our body's natural detoxifier. Despite what some marketers of nutritional supplements would have you believe, our liver is fully capable of detoxifying our bodies on its own. In fact, it is one of its main functions. However, that doesn't mean that food cannot improve liver health or detoxification. Numerous chemicals and compounds we encounter have the potential to harm us if they accumulate in the body. The liver removes these dangerous compounds to prevent absorption by the body. The vitamin in beets called betalain supports the function of the body's detoxification pathways. Betalains increase the production of glutathione, an enzyme that promotes liver detoxification. Glutathione is a powerful enzyme that is being studied for everything from fatty liver disease to anti-aging. Number 8. Prevent anemia. Hemoglobin, an iron-rich protein, is essential for a healthy life. When there are insufficient amounts of hemoglobin or healthy red blood cells in the body, it leads to a condition called anemia. But no worries, here is an easy solution for you. Drink beetroot juice daily. Beetroot juice is full of iron, minerals, and vitamins. It helps in the regeneration of healthy red blood cells and provides fresh oxygen to the body. The iron in it is easiest to absorb into the bloodstream, making it a great natural remedy for people with low blood hemoglobin and anemia, regardless of their age. However, make sure to drink your juice fresh to preserve its nutritional benefits. Number 9. Gives you glowing skin. If your body is replenished and healthy from within, it will reflect on the outside. Beetroot juice promotes blood purification, which is essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties help in the removal of blemishes and even out your skin tone, while enhancing its natural glow. Since it contains potassium and vitamin C, beetroot promotes the regeneration of dead skin cells. Additionally, it stimulates the body's blood flow. Regularly consuming this juice will help you get rid of the very common problem of having dark circles under your eyes caused by stress. Here is a little bonus. You could use beetroot juice on your face for a natural blush and rosy cheeks. Compared to beauty products with harmful chemicals, it is a much better option. Number 10. Good for eyes. Beets are one of the best vegetables for enhancing vision. That's because lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoid phytonutrients that are vital to eye health, are present in them. It is also abundant in vitamins A and C, which help protect the eyes from getting or worsening AMD, age-related macular degeneration, one of the main causes of vision loss in older adults. Add some carrots to your beet juice to make an even more powerful elixir for your eyes. This will ease your tired, dry, and red eyes from spending long hours on the computer. Number 11. Promote weight loss. Beetroot juice is loaded with beneficial nutrients and very few calories. It has a lot of fiber and silica, and even though the juicing process removes the insoluble fiber, the soluble fiber is still present in the juice, helping to increase metabolism and possibly lowering the body's excessive fat levels. Additionally, it helps activate the enzymes and digestive juices required for the healthy digestion of meals. The powerful anti-inflammatory properties help improve nutrient absorption into the bloodstream through an improved digestion process. This helps to regulate appetite and body weight. Number 12. Promotes hair growth. Beetroots are full of essential nutrients required for healthy hair growth, including potassium, iron, folate, vitamins A and C, proteins, magnesium, and calcium. Lack of these nutrients can affect both the quality and development of your hair. For instance, weak and brittle hair can result from inadequate potassium and iron intake. Your hair may become dry and lifeless if you don't get enough protein, calcium, or vitamin A in your diet. Beets contain a lot of vitamin C, which the body uses to make collagen, a structural protein. It is a key component of the hair structure. Additionally, beets contain a lot of powerful antioxidants called carotenoids. They are known to improve blood circulation and increase the delivery of nutrients to hair follicles. Number 13. Helps to cure arthritis. As we get older, joint issues become more common. It can restrict your ability to perform tasks that you would normally be able to complete with ease. Over time, arthritis progresses and intensifies. We put our joints to work every day, making it difficult to ignore this kind of pain. If you are suffering from never-ending joint pain, this simple juice will help you feel a lot better. Try consuming beet juice at least once every day for a week, and you could notice a marked reduction in discomfort. You can even try beetroot juice for neck, back, and shoulder pain. Anti-inflammatory substances in beet, like betanin, isobetanin, and vulgaxanthin, inhibit enzymes that trigger inflammation and reduce pain and swelling of joints. So, are you ready to add this delicious juice to your daily diet? If you are not a fan of its earthy flavor, you can always add some apples for natural sweetness or cucumber juice for more liquid, but it is best to watch your sugar intake. You can use any variety of cucumbers that are available in the market. However, you should be aware that drinking beet juice may cause your urine and stools to appear reddish. That is normal. I wouldn't want somebody to believe they have cancer or a bladder infection when they don't. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!